Today's video, I'm going ahead and doing a quick tutorial, a quick look on this beautiful frosty blizzard look that I found on Pinterest. And I thought it was really cool, so I decided to do it for winter. In the base, I just went ahead and went with some white. And then before I finished the full base, I went ahead and did white concealer around the eye to go ahead and blend in with the base makeup. Then I went ahead and used white eyeshadow to set the makeup in place, make sure it stays. After we went ahead and did the eyes, 3 different blues. I went in with a light frosty baby blue, then I went in with like an aqua greenish blue color, then I went in with a little bit deeper blue. Just to create the contrast. Then on the inner corner, I went in with a shimmer, gray silver shimmer, to kind of add that little bit of frosty crystal look. And I know I keep blocking the camera with the dang palette, but bear with me, y'all. I'm trying to get consistent with this filming. Next, I went ahead and grabbed my Airbrush Machine, and with that I went ahead and did like the blue hues and shadows to make the ice look a little bit more, to make the white look a little bit more icy and frosted. So I went ahead and where I would usually add contour is where I added the light blue with the airbrush. With the airbrush, I went ahead and added dots where I was going to place the snowflakes just to make them pop a little bit more. And you'll see once I add the snowflakes on top of the blue hue, it'll pop and look really cool. So I went ahead and added snowflakes in multiple different areas of the face. After the snowflakes, I went ahead and added some dots to make it more frosty and like snow spreading across my skin. And I also added some white streaks and marks to do the same thing, just to add more of that icy effect. Like my body is literally freezing. There you go. I also added a little bit of paint to my eyelashes, just so that way it can tie in the look together to make it look like my eyelashes are frozen. I then use the blue to then line my lips to create that awesome frosted look. Whoa, that's cold. If you guys like that video, feel free to watch me turn into a wild cat. And I want you guys to guess which cat I turned into in this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like more videos like this, feel free to subscribe. Comment down below what kind of videos you would like to see, whether it's painting or face, body transformation, or maybe something else, maybe some balloons. Let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and have an awesome day.